Hello students, welcome back to the session, grade 10 physics, chapter number 13, magnetic effects of electric current. And this is a part D, domestic electric circuits, electric fuse and electric safety. In this topic students, we are going to discuss about domestic electric circuit, electric fuse and electrical safety. So domestic electric circuits. So what do you mean by domestic electric circuits? Electricity is supplied to our homes from the power stations through transmission lines. You can see outside your apartment or your building a transformer will be and the wires will be connected. So from the power station, by the help of this transmission lines, electricity is supplied to our home. That is your domestic electric circuit. In India, domestic electricity supply is voltage will be around 220 volts and the frequency will be around 50 hertz. A domestic electric circuit consists of how many insulated wires? Three insulated wires. So this is the arrangement: the earth wire, the live wire and the neutral wire. Electricity board fuse through electric meter. From there the distribution box will contain the main switch and the fuses for each circuit, and 220 volts current is supplied to each and every room. So here we got around after this domestic electric circuit, we will discuss about what we mean by live wire. Live wire is also known as phase wire. Generally, the new standard color is brown. Old standard color of the live wire will be red. So what is the function? It will carry electric current from the power station to the house. So what is the duty of this wire? It will carry electric current from where? From power stations to the house, and it is at a 220 volt potential. Next you have neutral wire. The color of the neutral wire is blue according to the new standard. Old standard is black. What is the function? It will return back the current to the power station and its potential is 0 volts. What is duty is it will return back the current, returns the current back to the power stations, and the potential is 0 volts. See the three different types of wire in electric circuit. Green is your earth, red is your live wire and black is your neutral wire. Next comes your about earth wire. The color will be green or green yellow. The function: connected to the metal body of electrical appliances. What is the function here? It is connected to the metal body of electrical appliances and it is provide because it will protect us from electric shock. It will protect us from electric shock by providing a path for leakage of the current. So why the earthing is necessary? Earthing will prevent from electric shock. It protects electrical appliances. It carries leakage current safely into the ground. If there is a leakage, the current is carried safely into the ground. That is why electrical earthing is necessary. See, body is earthing here. This is a way earthing is being done. Diagrammatically, it has been given here. The short circuit. A short circuit occurs when the live wire comes into the direct contact with the neutral wire. When you will have a short circuit, there is a short circuit. What do you mean by it? So when the live wire will come into direct contact with which wire? Neutral wire, causing a sudden increase in the current. So it will damage the insulation, loose connections and faulty wiring. So what are the effects? Excessive heat, sparks, you can see, fire hazard, damage to the particular appliances. So this is a way how a short circuit occurs, the causes and the effects. Now overloading here. Overloading occurs when too many electrical appliances are connected to the same circuit. The minimum capacity is will be, but what we are doing, we are connecting more electrical appliances to the given part. So overloading occurs, drawing more current than the circuit can safely carry. So what are the causes? Too many high power appliances simultaneously connecting many devices to one socket. Connecting many devices to one socket only. What are the effects? Excess heating, melting of the wires and fire accidents. This is done in overloading. So what is the difference between short circuit and overloading? Short circuit means here live wire touches the neutral wire. Sudden large current due to faulty wiring can cause fire. In overloading, too many appliances connected. Current exceeds speed safe limit due to excessive load and can cause fire also. So electric fuse. In the earlier part, we have discussed about the electrical fuse diagrammatically. Now we will discuss again in this topic. So electric fuse, what is this? This is a safety device. Why do we use this safety device? To protect our electrical circuits from why? From excessive current. How it works? What is the principle? It works on the heating effect of electric current. The fuse wire. Fuse wire is made up of an alloy which has low melting point and has high resistance. See here, this is the old one, the fuse wire. Now MCB we are using. This is called MCB. What is this MCB? That we will discuss after a couple of minutes. The working of the fuse wire. When excessive current is flowing, the fuse wire gets heated, it melts and the circuit will break and appliances are protected. Fuse wire gets heated, it melts, circuit wire breaks and appliances are protected. That MCB I said, this part, the right hand side part is called your MCB. Now we are using in our domestic purpose. You can see in your main board. Stands for miniature circuit breaker. MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. Is an automatic safety device that switches off the current during overload or short circuit. If there is a short circuit or overload, automatically, now check the switch, the black color one here. This black color one is on, automatically it will become off to the particular room. Each and every room the MCB will be connected. So in which room you have overload or excessive current, that room will get disconnected. So what are the advantages? Automatically resets after switching on. Faster operation, more reliable and no need to replace of the wire. In here, when the wire, copper wire is being connected due to excessive current, it gets heated up and it melts and the power gets disrupted. Then again you need to open up, keep a copper wire and fix it. But here in MCB there is nothing to be done like that. If it is off, so you can check somewhere some room has been disconnected. When you check in the main board, one switch will be off. When you on it, automatically that room will get the power supply. So safety measures: do not touch switches with wet hands, do not overload sockets, use proper earthing, use correct fusing rating, replace damaged wires immediately. So what are the points important for our board? Domestic supply 220 volts 50 hertz. Live wire is brown wire or red, neutral wire blue or black, earth wire will be green. Fuse works on heating effects of electric current, earthing prevents electric shock, MCB is safer than traditional fuse. So one of the questions, why is an earth wire used in domestic electric circuit? Because the earth wire is connected to the metallic body of what? Of electrical appliances. When the earth wire is connected to the metallic body of electrical appliances, it will provide low resistance for the leakage current to flow into the ground, thereby preventing electric shock. So to prevent it from electric shock and the electrical appliance should not get damaged, that's why earth wire is used in domestic electric circuits. For any details, you can use the WhatsApp number or the comment box in the channel. So here now we'll come to an end of this topic called heating effects, and this part will be uploaded at the earliest. All the parts from part A to part E are there in the playlist, you can check. Thank you students. We'll meet you soon with the next new topic in physics. That will be the last lesson on physics grade 10. Thank you. Bye-bye.